you. Where the hell is your hide?
We don't have a... Just please, let me go!
Will you stop sucking life out of this already dead world?
I can't.
Your kind have been sucking the life of this planet for way too long. Our crops are failing, our people are dying, our society has fallen. All because of the wars that you started. Now just make it easy for me. Tell me, where the hell is your hive?
It's too late, human. We've been here for too many years. Soon, the Earth's crust will collapse in.
Where is your queen? I am gonna slice her before she even hatches.
Hatches? You don't even know, do you? We're not biological. We were made by you, humans.
What?
You humans made us. We sucked life out of good crops for war, and your pollution just did the rest. We haven't destroyed your planet. You did.
This war, it's all been a lie. The government we trust spat in our faces as we struggle to survive, fending for ourselves against these creatures that they created for their own purposes. This world is a crisp, barren, and it's close to death because of us. Because of us. Because of us.